Discover the power of leg and hip stretch yoga exercises. Welcome to a journey of self-discovery, where we unlock the potential of your body through leg and hip stretch yoga exercises. Yoga is more than just physical postures, it's a holistic practice focusing on the mind-body connection. Our focus today is on a series of yoga stretches targeting your legs and hips. Stretching these areas can help reduce lower body tension, improve flexibility, and enhance your overall yoga practice. But remember, yoga is not about perfection. It's about progress and listening to your body. Let's start with the seated forward bend, which stretches your hamstrings and lower back. Sit tall, extending your legs, then hinge forward from your hips, reaching towards your toes. Next is the pigeon pose, one of the best hip openers. From your hands and knees, bring one knee forward and extend the other leg back. Feel your hips sinking into the mat. Our third pose is Warrior Two. Stand tall, step 1 foot back, extend your arms, and bend your front knee. This pose strengthens and stretches your legs, hips, and groin. The reclined hand to big toe pose, our fourth, focuses on hamstring flexibility. Lie on your back, extend one leg in the air, hold your big toe or use a strap for extra support. The fifth pose, the garland pose, offers a deep hip stretch. Start in a squat with feet close together, press your elbows against your inner knees, and join your palms together. Finally, wrap up with the reclined bound angle pose. Lie down, bring the soles of your feet together, let your knees open wide. This pose relaxes the hips and inner thighs. Remember, consistency is key in yoga. Practice these poses regularly to unlock your body's potential and improve your flexibility, balance, and strength. Thank you for joining us in these leg and hip stretch yoga exercises. Embrace the journey, notice the changes in your body, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Namaste.